You hear these words in movies all the time, but Hollywood doesn't always get them right. Here are 10 words from your favorite films that you've probably been saying wrong. Number 1, quintessential. You'll hear this in movies like The Devil Wears Prada. Most people say quintessential, but the correct way is quintessential. The second syllable is t, not te. Think quint plus essential. Number 2, Vendetta, made famous by V for Vendetta. Don't say vendetta with a hard American T. The correct pronunciation is vendetta. It's Italian, so the final A should be open. Number 3, mischievous. Think of the marauders in Harry Potter. It's not mischievous. It's only 3 syllables, mischievous. The I before OUS doesn't exist. Number 4, caramel. You can't watch Willy Wonka without hearing this word. A lot of people say caramel with 2 syllables, but the standard pronunciation is caramel, 3 syllables. Number 5, nuclear. Iron Man carried a nuclear warhead through a wormhole. It's not nuclear, it's nuclear. Think clear at the end. Even some presidents got this one wrong. Number 6, espionage. Every James Bond movie is full of it. Don't say espionage. The correct pronunciation is espionage. The ending is French, like massage. Number 7, coup. You'll hear this in Captain America and political thrillers. It's not coupe or cowpea. The P is completely silent. It's just coup, rhymes with two. It's French. Number 8, facade. Gatsby's entire life was one. Don't say Facade. The C with a sadir makes an S sound. The correct pronunciation is Facade. Number 9, genre. You use this word every time you talk about movies. It's not genre. It's genre with a soft ZH sound like the S in measure. It's French. Number 10, chaos, the Joker's favourite word. Don't say chaos. The CH makes a K sound because it's Greek. The correct pronunciation is chaos. Next time you're watching your favourite movie, listen closely. You might catch a few of these. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. And hit subscribe so you never mispronounce another word. See you in the next one.